to the channel. It is your natural nail guru, and today we have something really exciting to do. It is not a nail review or healthy natural nail product tips. It is a giveaway. Yay! So we have finally reached 5K with YouTube, and what a pleasant little month for it to happen, because May is not only my birthday month, but it is also the 6-year anniversary for Oh My Gel, and there's so much growth that's happened in the last year and so much that is going to continue to happen this year. May is just an amazing month, always and forever, and it is amazing that I was able to get to 5K in the month of May, and we get to do an awesome giveaway. So let's not waste any more time, and let's figure out what we're giving away and how to get it. So if you haven't seen already, I recently posted a video on swatching the Beetles Euphoria or Beetles Midnight Euphoria Gel Kit. 20 colors, base coat, top coats. You have brushes and some glitters in here. It was a awesome kit, super cute colors. Absolutely love it. So we're going to be giving away the Midnight Euphoria kit. Not this one. I'm keeping this one because the colors are really cute. I will be ordering one just for you. And it's also going to come along with a $100 Amazon gift card. So you can buy whatever else it is that you either need for your nails or anything that's totally unrelated. They have cute bathing suits on there. Summer is coming up. Whatever you want to spend it on, it's going to be yours. Now I know what you're wondering. What do you have to do to get your hands on this amazing gel kit and a $100 Amazon gift card? I'm going to tell you. So it's really simple. All you need to do is make sure that you're already subscribed to my channel and that you have your notifications on, and tag as many as your friends as possible. Every nail enthusiast that you know, whether it's a DIY or professional, tag them. The more tags you have, the more, I guess, opportunities you have to be able to get this prize. So remember, subscribe, make sure you have your notifications on, and tag away. Tag on this video. We're going to be looking at all the comments posted on this video. The contest is going to run through the entire month of May. So at the end of the month, we're going to be randomly selecting a lucky winner to receive the Beetles Euphoria Gel Kit as well as the $100 Amazon gift card. As we get closer to the end of the month, I'll let you know exactly what day we're going to announce the winner, but you do have until May 31st to tag away and get everybody on there. Make sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications on. Thank you again, everyone that's already subscribed, everyone that's viewing and getting engaged, and those that are getting helpful tips and seeing improvements in their nails and the longevity of your manicure. That's exactly what I'm all about, and what I'm really trying to focus on is how I can help you and how I can duplicate the results that I get in my shop through those that are watching. So I really look forward to all the information that I still have to share, and all the many that still haven't found the channel and are on their way here. This is definitely a place that you're going to get everything that you need to know, and a channel that you do not want to miss a subscription to. So thank you again, everyone that has already been here, and for all those new coming and hitting that subscribe button right now. I really do appreciate it. I'm so excited about this giveaway and many more to come. So let's not waste any more time and get to those comments. I'll see you guys later. Bye.